Good morning, students. So already we were doing exercise 7.2. Now we continue to do the remaining questions from the exercise. So I shall take question number 9. That is integration of 4x plus 2 root over x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay. So here I will take let root over x square plus x plus 1 equal to t. So if I want to remove this square root, so we have to do the square, it will be t square. Now if we apply d dx, this will be 2x plus 1 plus 2t. Okay, and when we use integration here, so now in place of 2x plus 1 dx, we have to substitute 2t dt. Now this part should be present in the question. So what I can do is, I can take 2 common. So if I take 2 common, that will be integration 2x plus 1 root over x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay. Now in place of this and this, I can write what? Integration 2t dt. Okay. And in place of this, since I have taken this part to be what? T. So in this way we substitute the given value. So this will be 4t square dt, that is 4t3 by 3 plus c. So 4 by 3, since we have taken your t value as root over x square plus x plus 1, 3 plus c. So the final answer will be 4 by 3 x square plus x plus 1, 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the answer of your question number 9. So let me take the next question, that is question number 10. That is integration 1 by x minus root x dx. Suppose if I take let root x equal to t. So if I use here, this will be x equal to t square. That means d dx of x will be 1 and d dx of t square will be 2t dt. So if I want to apply, now in place of this, wherever I get this type of value in this question, I have to substitute. That means if you see here, integration this part and this part, I have to substitute which value? This value. So I can simply write 2t dt divided by, in place of x, now I have to write what? T square minus, in place of root x, I have to write what? T. Is not it? Now if I bring this 2 out, so if I take common here, that will be t minus 1 dt, and this part will be cancelled. So that is integration dt by t minus 1. That is 2 log t minus 1 plus c. Use this. Okay. So in place of t, I can write root x minus 1 plus c. So this is the answer of your question number 10. Okay, next question number 11. That is integration x plus root over x plus 4 dx. So here let root x plus 4 equal to t. So I will do squaring to remove the square root here. So if I use dx, so this will be 1 into 2t. Then I will use integration. So this will be dt, this will be dx. Okay. Now as you can see here, this part, and in place of this, I have to substitute which value? This value. Is not it? So I will substitute. In place of integration dx, I will reproduce 2t dt divided by, in place of x, now I have to write what? T square minus 4, because all the functions I have to convert in terms of t, because my integration is with respect to t. and this part I will write t. So that means if I want to separate the LCM, this will be t, this will be 4 minus t, oh sorry, this and this will be cancelled. So this will be simply integration 2t square dt minus integration 8 dt. So here I can write t square dt minus 8 integration d. That will be t3 by 3 minus 8t plus c. That is 2 by 3. In place of t, I can write x plus 4 whole cube minus 8 root x plus 4 plus c. So this is the output of your question number 11. Okay. So let me go with question number 12. That is integration x cube minus 1 to the power 1 minus 3 x to the power 5. So that means this is what? A cube root, isn't it? So here let me take this part equal to t. So if I want to do cube, if I do cube, then your root over part will be cancelled. This will be t cube. So that means this will be 3x square dx this side, and this will be 3t square dt. Okay, simple, isn't it? Now we have to use this part here in this integration. So what I will do here, simply this will be dx. So this part, let me keep it as it is, power 5, let me break with this and this. The meaning will be same, is not it? Now in place of this, I have considered to be what? T. So I will write what? T here. And in place of integration x square dx, I have to substitute what? So this 3 and this 3 cancel. So in place of integration x square dx, I have to write what? Integration t square dt. So integration t square dt. And in place, what is left now? X cube. Now in place of x cube, I can write what? T cube plus 1. So we have substituted properly. All of you are trying to understand. This part I am writing t. So this will be simply t. Okay. Next, integration x square dx, I have substituted integration t square dt. And in place of x cube, I have to convert this function in terms of t. That's why I am writing t cube plus 1. So that means if you see here, t cube plus 1 dt. Okay. So that means I can write t6 dt plus integration t3 dt. That is t7 by 7 plus t to the power 4 by 4 plus c. So now in place of t, what you have taken, we can write it as it is. That will be x cube minus 1, 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4, x cube minus 1, 4 by 3 plus c. So this is the answer of your question number 12. So this is known as what? Substitution method. Okay, next is question number 15. That is integration x divided by 9 minus 4 x square dx. Okay, so let 9 minus 4 x square equal to t. So if you use d dx here, this will be dt. Okay, so d dt of t. So this will be 0 minus 8x equal to 1. So this will be minus 8x 1, and we have to use integration. That will be dx here. This will be dt. Okay. So that means x dx will be integration dt, and this minus 8 we can write it. So in place of this, I have to substitute this value. Okay. So here integration x dx. So in place of this, what will be the substitution now? Minus 1 by 8 dt divided by this part you are considering as t, so we will write t. So this is known as what? The substitution. We have substituted. Okay. So this will be minus 1 by 8 log of t plus c. So that is minus 1 by 8 log, what is the value of t? That is 9 minus 4x square plus c. So this is the answer of your question number 15. So using substitution method, we are doing the integration. Okay. Next is question number 16. That is integration e to the power 2x plus 3 dx. So here let x plus 3 equal to t. So if I use ddx, so this will be 2, this will be 1, and this will be dx, this will be dt. So that means integration of dt will be 1 by 2 dt. So in place of integration dx, I have to substitute half of dt. So integration and dx, I will write dt, and here e to the power t. As we all know that integration of e to the power t will be e to the power t itself plus c. That means half. So what is the value of t we have taken? So the answer will be this. That is half of e to the power 2x plus 3 plus c. Okay. Next is question number 17. That is integration x e to the power x square dx. So let x square equal to t. That means 2x dx will be dt, that is integration. So since your numerator is integration x dx, so half I can bring here. So I have to substitute this part as this. So integration x dx, so I have to write half integration dt 1 upon e by t. That is half integration e to the power minus t dt plus c. So this will be minus 1 by 2 e to the power minus t plus c. That is minus e to the power minus x square plus c. So this is the answer of your question number 17. So in this way we are doing the integration using the substitution